here I am going to show you how to do the fishbone stitch. Fishbone stitch is really just a series of overlapping straight stitches, and it's pretty straightforward. So first you're going to draw your leaf shape with a line down the middle, and this serves as your guide as you get going. And you're going to bring your needle and thread up at the top of the leaf, and you're going to go about a quarter to a third of the way down. Make this initial stitch. Then you're going to come up to the left of where you first inserted your needle, cross over that thread, come down on the other side. Then you will do the opposite, coming up on the right of that initial point and crossing over to the left. So that's the basic motion that you're going to follow going back and forth as you stitch. You're going to come up next to your last stitch on either side, and then you want this stitch to run parallel to the last one that crossed over to the right. So you're going to come down a little bit farther below it. You're going to do the same thing on the other side here. Crossing over a little bit farther below so it's parallel, and that will give you that crisscross kind of shape as you work back and forth. And you're basically going to follow the outline that you've drawn for your leaf. And once you start getting down to the bottom of your leaf, you're going to stitch these overlapping stitches as far down as you can go. Just keep tucking your thread down in the bottom here. And when you run out of room, you're just going to make some straight stitches along the outside that runs parallel to your other ones. And just fill in any area that's left. So that's essentially your fishbone stitch, and you can use a shape like this. You can also do it in reverse, kind of like this sort of shape, so it doesn't always have to be this teardrop in a certain direction. So experiment with the shape and size, and it's just a really fun way to do florals.